We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2020 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited in River Rock Gray. Up front we have dual disc braking. This bike is also equipped with ABS. Nice big fairing and tall windshield. We have rider and passenger floorboards, the 114 cubic inch engine. We have engine guards front and rear as well. Extremely comfortable passenger seat with the built-in speakers. Locking saddlebag and locking tour pack with that additional luggage rack on the top too. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.